What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419. I'm at it with another video, man. Hey, today, about to drop off the big SRT today, you know what I'm saying? Big SRT8 today, you know what I'm saying? Split my tire, you know what I'm saying, on the back. Really, I ain't really split it technically, but you know what I'm saying? I wore it out. Yeah, man, I wore it out to the max now, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I had the same tire right here on this driver's side rear ever since 2017 when I bought these 26-inch floaters. Yeah, man, I split it. You know, the tread gone anyway, so really ain't no tread no more, for real. And I noticed about 4 or 5 days ago, I noticed a split on the inner part right here. I'll probably show y'all that if I can find it. But yeah, we about to go ahead and mount this mug up on some new 26-inch tires, man. Right now, I got 275/25 on here. You know what I'm saying? And it's 275/25 on this side too, but you see the difference. It's two different brand tires. See how the lip poking out right here? You know what I'm saying? Which actually, I damaged my rim a lot, especially on really on anything for real, like potholes and stuff. Sometimes the lip catch first. But then you see on this side, covered lip. So like I said, this is a Toyo tire, but they don't make this tire no more. I love this tread design. But we about to go with a 295/25, which is gonna be the same brand that's on this side right here. So we can fill this lip up, know what I mean? So we ain't gotta worry about it catching the rim, know what I mean? We be good. Actually, the tread kind of going on this, know what I mean? What happened when them SRT8s pulling off on them? But yeah, you see how condensation in here? Yeah, it's real warm outside today, man. Real warm outside today. You see the SRT Durango. But yeah, it's so warm outside and so cool in here that as soon as I open the garage up, all these two cars started to be hella moisture. So yeah, and it's supposed to rain today too. But you know, F it, man. It is what it is. Gotta drop it off, man. Oh yeah, look how moisture it is, man. But yeah, we gotta drop it off though. It just is what it is, man. So I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna get my front tire valve stem changed too, man, because I know I got a dent in it and I'm losing air, and it's probably where I'm losing air from. So we're gonna change that, then we'll see how that goes when I get the car back. So 2 new tires in the back, 295/25/26, new valve stem in the front, and yeah, that's that, man. You know what I'm saying? With them 295/25s on the back, base is gonna look just like this, same thickness, same everything, for real. But yeah, definitely need it though, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta take the spinners off, the 2 backs, and the spinner off the front, and the hub off. So they ain't gotta worry about doing that. All they gotta do is just zip, put new tires on, put new valve stem in. So yeah, we're gonna pull this out. I'm gonna do all that. Then next you probably see me pulling up to the spot, man. Majestic, man. All right, peace. All right, we back. Got the SRT humming. Yeah, you see this rip? Yeah, see it split, man. Split right here. Yeah, gotta change that. We're gonna take these spinners off. We're gonna head to the shop, man. Yeah. Big sixes. Big sixes. Big sixes. Hey YouTube, we back. We are currently sliding to Majestics right now. Majestic Automotive, man. This is where I actually bought my first pair of tires from, second pair of wheels. You know what I'm saying? My old Rivy, I bought the tires, I bought the rims from California. And I bought the tires through him, had him put it on, you know what I'm saying? But the next year, which is 06 and then 07, and next year, 07, I bought a set of 22-inch wheels for him for my rib, you know what I'm saying? So he been in business probably about maybe a year or two before that. I think probably in 2004 he started his business. So I've been going to him since 2006, man. So real good guy, know what I'm saying? So about to pull up there. Bought a lot of wheels from him, tires from him. He one who did the lift on the Magnum. What else he had done for me? He did a lot of stuff for me, man. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, he does everything, man. Automotive work, especially. You know what I mean? Like a regular repair shop, but he sell wheels. Awesome. You know what I'm saying? Tires, awesome. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, you about to be right around the corner for real. You know what I'm saying? Morning, humid, raining, well, kind of raining, but drizzling. Streets is wet, but F it. You know, I don't like the water though, but yeah, you gotta get it done. You know what I'm saying? I'll wash it. What is that rattling in the back, man? God dang, that's annoying. Some dude just beat that. I don't know who that is. Look like old dude though. Charge, man. But yeah, man, about to slide in Majestic right now, you feel me? Coming up in about another 20 seconds, so y'all stay tuned, man. Like a slab up front. Yeah, I'm a slab right up front right here. Just automotive, man. You feel me? You feel me? Big Durango SRT. You feel me? Yeah, we here. Drop the Magnum off. Hopefully he be done by 1 or 2. And y'all see the car without the spinners on. Still got one spinner on the front passenger. But y'all see the car with the spinners off, man. See the big Jay-Z lip in the back, man. Big Jay-Z lip in the back, man. Woo. Big Jay-Z lit. Yeah. Fresh meats. The new 295 25s. Good, man. Love that thickness, man. Thickness nice on that thing. Yeah, that thickness, man. That thickness on that tire better than I expected, man. Real talk. A lot better than what I expected, man. Nice and thick, man. That's what she said.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Hey, man, tire looking thick, man. I love the tread on that mug, man. The tire in front, come to find out I was gonna change the valve stem. He may have still changed though, but I was leaking around the edge of the front. So I'm making sure right now that you put that cap back on in the front. That TPMS system cap, that's right here. I'm gonna show y'all. That goes on the back. I put these two back on the back. But I'm right now. I'm just checking to make sure you put the one back on the front. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it look good, man. That tire look nice and thick and heavy now, man. I'm feeling that. Should did that a long time ago. But yeah, man, it's your boy Young Rich 419. Y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe. Appreciate it, man. Peace.